Alright, we just finished doing all the planes on all cells and domains. Now let's take a look at making the surfaces. So back to CATIA, we just finished going over these. And I'll cancel that. If I open up my all cells, pull that out of hide the domains, and hide all the planes we made. If I try and do a extruded surface, go along the Z direction here, say 5 inches tall, preview that. Oh, dang, I gotta change my graphics so I can do my preview, but I'll say, oh, I just put that in the disassemble domain because it's underlined, meaning that's the in-work object. So I just threw that extrude there when I did not mean to. I'll delete it out. In my disassembles, I'll make this the in-work object again. Go back to extrude and grab an edge, let's say, and go along the Z direction. So I'll pick the Z vector. And there's a surface going straight up and select OK. But the reason why it's only grabbing that one edge is because we disassembled all. So it's not going to recognize this whole domain. So in this case, we won't use that. Make the domain one the in-work object. Hide all my planes. This time when I select extrude and I select the rectangle, it's going to grab the whole rectangle. We can ignore that for now. Alright, so we're building a surface with the domains here. These domains are recognized as curve entities. It's one big curve, not 4 little lines. It's one curve made up of 4 lines. And the reason why we had to disassemble it again is if I hide this and I try and go back to my sketch and I extrude my sketch, we're going to make the geometrical set here. We're going to make it in work. If I try and extrude that, well, it's going to do everything at once. So I'm not going to have this ability to do as the Word doc and get it to go all different directions. Alright, so that was my purpose of showing you your domains and what they can do, your disassembles. Back to CATIA. I'll just cancel this. I'll hide this geometrical set. Bring up my domains again. And you should be able to create all the surfaces on the Word doc based on lessons learned previously and what we've just shown today. So you got 5 domains, 5 different surfaces. Create them using these same measurements. Verify the part is correct by adding measurements and create a new snapshot of it, comparing V5 to the 3D experience. Next is to create the 4 tubes.